Welcome to WetTraveler channel. I'm Kamala and I'm gonna take you to Bali and Komodo. Traveling. I guess everybody loves to travel, but have you ever think about places with high level of visits? Can they maintain everything as they are now? How they will look like the next 10 years? Will the local people be as friendly as they are now? Will the nature still as beautiful as they are now? Apparently it has been thought to many places that they want to keep their place as beautiful as it was. Not rejecting the modernization, but more to respect the culture and the authenticity that they have. Desa Penglipuran is absolutely one of them. What I maintain is precisely the one thing that is most sought after. Komodo is one of the most visited destinations in Indonesia. The number of visitors increase from year to year. That's great, but this also creates its own challenge to keep everything intact and sustainable.
Pengen mau kesini, tapi nggak pengen pakai duit orang tua. Kesannya takutnya nanti sempat pas jalan tuh ombaknya besar gitu, goyang-goyang mudah, takutnya gitu nanti.
Stainless straw, yes. Look at this, sustainable tourism Indonesia.
Nowadays, more people realize the importance of reducing plastic waste.
You don't dirty the ocean, you enjoy the corals.
Do not litter. Do not throw anything to the ocean.
Cheers.
Cheers. I'm hoping that everyone can keep this place as beautiful, as clean as we know, like now.
Place is very good and very amazing place in Indonesia. I think so. Everyone should visit here, and I hope so. 10 years later, if I can come again here, I want to see here as like today.
Ini bisa bertahan lama. Tidak hanya kita aja yang bisa menikmati, dan khususnya bagi wisatawan yang pasti mohon dijaga, ya tidak ada sampah, tidak ada yang diambil dari sini, cukup gambar saja yang diambil.
Komodo, with all charm and beauty, offers unforgettable experiences. Now and in the future, the big tasks for human beings are to take care of everything and make sure the world becomes a better place for every living creature.